On the item card, there is a field named Value Item By. The selection made here changes how the Inventory Valuation Report calculates. This video demonstrates how each option affects the calculation. The field we are reviewing is located on item cards in the Cost and Posting section. In the Value Item By field, there are 3 options to select from: item, per pound, and effective date. We begin our demonstration with 2 donated items. The unit of measure for one is pounds, and the other is measured by case. With per pound selected for Value Item By, we run the Inventory Valuation Report. The report options are set to October, with the per pound value set to $2. The item filter is limited to the 2 donated items, set to be valued by the pound. When ready to view the report, select Preview. The report shows the remaining quantity available as of the date entered on the options page. The cost per pound of $2 specified on the options page is applied to each item. When the item is cased, the gross weight is multiplied by the cost per pound. For example, the pizza topping is a 10-pound case with a unit cost of $20, 10 pounds multiplied by $2. The inventory value is the remaining quantity multiplied by the unit cost. Let's view the report for the same items again, but for a different date. The unit cost remains the same because the $2 per pound value did not change on the options page. However, with a different as of date, there is a different remaining quantity and therefore a different inventory value. Next, let's look at how a purchase item reports. For this item, we are using the recommended Value Item By selection, item. The first purchase of this item was for 50 cases priced at $15 per case. Then 100 additional cases were purchased for $17.50 per case. Just like the previous example, the date is set to October, and we are filtering on our purchased item example. The Inventory Valuation Report returns a quantity remaining of 50 cases valued at $15 per case. Let's change the date to July 4th, which is after the additional 100 cases were purchased, and then preview the report results. This time the report presents the remaining quantity and a unit cost that differs from either of the purchases made. Why is the unit cost different? The unit cost is different because it is calculated based on the average cost of all the purchases made. Here is how it's calculated. 50 cases were purchased for $15 each, and 100 cases were purchased for $17.50 per case. The total purchase value of remaining inventory is $2,500. When this total is divided by the remaining quantity, the resulting unit price is listed on the report. Next, we'll review the option Value By Effective Date. Once again, we have 2 donated items to review, one measured in pounds and the other in cases. For this example, we need to begin by reviewing one of the item cards. From the item card, select Actions, select Item, and select Item Values. From here, item values and their effective date are established. This example has 2 entries, but you can add an unlimited number of entries. With the item's values reviewed, let's run the Inventory Valuation Report. With the date set and items limited to our examples, let's view the report results. The donated items are valued at 25 cents per pound. As before, the gross weight for the cased item is 26 pounds, resulting in a value of $6.50 per unit. This amount is based on the effective date values that were entered on the item card. Now let's run the same report for a different date. We have updated the report options with a different as of date. When we preview this report, the items should be valued based on a different value. As expected, the The unit cost is calculated at $2.50, as specified in the value entries. Let's run the inventory valuation report one last time for all the items we have reviewed. With the correct filters in place, we preview the report. Here you see the different value item buy options reporting together, providing the total inventory value. The 2 donated items valued per pound are calculated using the value provided by the report's options page. The purchased item is valued based on the purchase cost. The final 2 donated items are valued based on the effective date reviewed for the report. We hope this video has provided a clearer understanding of how to use the value item buy field with the inventory valuation report. Thank you for watching.